Seerah, a glance at the Prophet's life through the last 10 surahs. Seerah.ulum.com.
Part 7. The Scorched. The enemies of Islam failed. Those who sided with the enemy lost out. One of the great losers was Abu Lahab bin Abdul Muttalib. He refused protection to the Prophet, abandoned his kin, and actively committed crimes against them. This was vulgar, even to the Arabs who believed in loyalty to family. Abu Lahab masked it to be for the sake of God, but in reality it was only to gain popularity and increase his wealth. He met a disgraceful end. When news reached of the Muslims' victory at Badr, he became vexed and attacked a Muslim slave. He was struck in the head, and that became then septic. Soon, people fled from him, fearing him to being contagious, including his treacherous wife. He died alone, and his body rotted. When the stench became unbearable, a few slaves were sent to dispose of his body. His wife was equal in mischief to him. She added fuel to the fire and spurred cruelty towards the Muslims. She threw thorns in the path of the Prophet and mocked the Prophet when his son died. A bad end she had. A worse thorny end awaits them both in the fiery chasm.
Allah Almighty says,
Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Tabbat yada abi lahabin wa tab. ما أغنى عنه ماله وما كسب سيصلى نارا ذات لهب وامرأته حمالة الحطب في جيدها حبل من مسد